Hey everyone, I'm back in the Allegheny Mountains, the forest, Pennsylvania. Back on the Tionesta River. Gonna look for some gold. Out here for a camping trip, but of course, there's no sense not prospecting as well. I know last year when I was here, I didn't find anything because I could not get through this cobble. I am getting zero sediment. This just seems to be a lot of big rocks. You can see here the river level is a little higher than it was last year. Got my kayak, just gonna scout around, but this time I'm determined to get through that cobble and start processing some more material. Wish me luck. Try to move some of these rocks out of here so I can dig. There is sediment in there. This seems like a low pressure zone where water slowed down. More of on the outside bend, but I'm just gonna do a test pan. I'm sorry I forgot my mic. I couldn't find it before I left. I did bring my Yabby pump, so I might try that if this is just big cobble all the way down and I just can't dig with the shovel. I'll try getting the Yabby at least. Yeah, I'm not seeing any black sand to speak of. Yeah, I need to find a better location. This was the easiest access spot, so I thought I'd just try it out. But I might kayak up the river a little bit, see what we find. Tadpoles everywhere. I'm gonna head over to the back side of this small island. I do see some dirt. There's a log here that might have captured some gold. So I'm gonna get out and do some scoops, do a test pan. I didn't bring my shovel. So let's find that gold. Okay, now we're on about the middle of the inside bend, but I can see a little drop off down here. This might be like a natural sluice, and it's feeding off into there, and then there's a lot of light sand coming from this little island area. So I'm thinking I'm gonna try right down in there. It's probably hard to pick up on the camera, but it's flowing a little bit down here, and there's a little low pressure zone, shallower spot there. I should have brought my big shovel here. It's a little looser. I probably could have dug in there a little bit. I have my foldable camp shovel too I should have brought, but you can always go back. No black sand again. I'm not finding where the heavies are falling. I'll keep looking. Did another test pan. Not finding any black sand. Tried on the other side of this. There's a log and it drops off. I thought maybe on the other side of that. And maybe I got to go down deeper, but again, I'm not putting in the effort to dig a huge hole where I'm not finding anything in a test pan that indicates it's worth digging there. That's my mentality anyway. Found this rock. I'm trying to dig some sediment behind it on the downstream side. I can't see. I'm probably sitting right over top of it, but I did see sediment coming up. I can find the rock here. Oh, okay. Oh, don't slide off the rock. I'm barely on there. Again, the water level's a little higher now, so it's hard to stay put. The rock, so I'm trying to dig down in it, right on the back side of it. Let's see what we have. on the lookout for fossils. This was the first fossil I ever found was at this campsite we're at. Nick didn't bring his kayak this time, so I don't have an extra cameraman. It was raining when he left. He left a day early on Thursday to get here. It was raining. He didn't feel like dealing with it. No commitment. Did we get any black sand this time, at least? None. Wow, no heavies. Interesting. Bunch of ants or something all over that one. Not how they got there. No, they're like those pill bugs, I think. Or some kind of beetle thing. Oh, they're flying. All right, never mind. They can fly. Trying to post up on this thing. A lot of sediment behind it. Let me try to get some before I float away. I could get out and stand, but you know, that'd be too easy. I'm trying to hold myself from floating away and dig. No black sand, thus no gold. Floating's nice. At least it's nice out. It's supposed to rain later, but when we planned this trip, leading up to it, it looked like the whole weekend was going to rain. We've lucked out so far. Might get skunked again this trip. But it's a good time. Probably about 5 feet deep right here. It's about as deep as I've seen it. Clear. Clearly no gulp. My drone hit that branch up there and fell right on the rocks there. Got a little wet. Man, if I lose another drone, I'm not gonna be happy. Well, it might have hit a little clay there. There's no telling how deep the bedrock goes down, because I don't think there's any exposed bedrock anywhere that I've seen. Could be 3 feet, could be 100 feet, who knows? Fossils. Ooh, nothing. Skunked again. I tried. I mean, the focus of this was a camping trip. This is a place we really like to camp. It'd just be nice if I could also find gold. It's a very slow moving river, I think, for the most part. There's a lot of, build up on these rocks. They're not real shiny. There's some you can see there that I tossed out of my classifier. show up real nice, but for the most part, it's just all brown. So it makes me wonder, maybe this, even in high water, storms, maybe there's not a lot of heavy flow on this river to kind of wash things down more. I don't know. On my way out, there's a little campground here by where we camp. It's like a feeder creek going into the main river. All my stuff is jam-packed in the car, so I will not be getting out stuff and testing, but maybe I'll try it out here next time. I don't want to camp here. I don't like campgrounds. Who needs a bathroom? I have a bucket.